Guys, Sick Tony aka Maniac Beast here. I'm unboxing my gaming computer. This is my monitor. It's 24-inch, full HD 1080p LED. High contrast, smart view, and whatever. It's an Asus. Alright, and this is the box. Let me tell you a perspective of how huge this box is. That fills up the entire video screen, alright? That's huge. Now, I have to get scissors or something to cut this shit. Let's use this. Alright. Come on. So it's open. That's open. That is about open. Alright. This side. What the fuck? Alright. This is getting fucked up. Alright. So I'm in my brother's room because this is going on that desk that my brother had. It's an old desk. Alright, so let's see. What's in this bitch? Alright. Better not fuck up my computer. Alright, so I'm not showing any of my personal information. This sucks as paper, I can't tell. Here we go. Alright. Here we go.
Open the door, please.
Hold on.
It's my business. Open the door.
Alright. Alright, I'm doing an unboxing video, that's why. Alright? Calm the hell down. Alright, so here we go. Motherboard. What the shit? Alright. This is the 970A UD3 ultra durable motherboard. Unlocked 2011 AM3. It's for FX processors. Alright. Just let you get the specs here. I guess it's not the processor, I guess this is just the shit for the computer. Alright. That's just the shit for the computer. Alright, that. Did it see the whip? No. To see if I see it. This is just my accessory shit. Optical mouse, my gaming mouse. It's the fan for the freaking computer. Alright. What the fuck is this? It's just... I guess I just needed a box to put everything in. Alright, so it's my optical mouse. My fan for my front of the case, I think. That's the case. This is for the headset. And I can't show you the code, but that's for Batman when it comes out. All the SATA cables and shit. This limited warranty. Oh shit, I have to cut that out. Alright. Here's my Dirt 3 activation code. Alright. There we go, that's that. Alright. Here's my gaming keyboard, whatever. This one. Alright, and that is what? Webcam. Why is it always blurred? That's why. Alright. I don't know if it's HD, but whatever. Alright. I have to fucking get this shit out. That's fucking huge. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna have to put the video down for a second, guys. Sorry. Fuck. Oh, shit. It's fucking huge. It's fucking massively fucking big. Holy fucking goddamn. Holy shit. This fucking thing is massive. Shit. I'm gonna cut this part out of the video. What the fuck is it stuck to? Alright. This thing is fucking massive. Yeah, whatever. Fuck it. Alright. Level 10 GT. Snow Edition. Alright. Let's get the screwdriver. Where is it? Sorry, this is fucking seven minutes long. Alright. It's fucking heavy as shit. I'm getting a workout. Still doing it. Can you stop? What the fuck are you doing? Hey guys, my mom just came in. Just being an asshole. Right. I had to stop the video. I didn't pause it. Fucking shit. There we go. Alright. Holy fuck. Alright. Here we go. Smells like a new computer. Smells like ultimate fucking dream machine. Alright. Holy shit. Alright. This thing is massive. Alright. Fucking holy shit. And no, it's not on, that's just the fucking light off the thing here. Oh my god, that's fucking massive. This wasn't moving. Alright, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'll probably take this out. It's on the ground. I'm just gonna probably like disengage these things here. Holy fuck, alright. Let's put this down, guys. Staples or some shit. Sorry, box. Sorry guys. I'll take out all the shit. Gosh. Fucking messing. We'll stop that video. There's two videos together. Alright guys, I managed to get it out of the case. I just need to open this thing off here. Oh shit. Let's put you guys down for a second. Alright, so I managed to get it off halfway. Alright, fucking shit. There we go. Alright. This is even more amazing than I thought. That fucking shit off. Alright. Let's do it. Vagina holes. Oh shit, I got stuck. Oh shit.